How to add a columns in WordPress. Want to create a visually appealing layouts and organize your content better on your WordPress website? Adding columns is a fantastic way to achieve this, and it's simpler than you might think. In this tutorial, we'll be using the built-in WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg. So let's dive into the topic. First things first, what you have to do is go to WordPress dashboard, and this is how the WordPress dashboard look like. Also on the dashboard, you can see a list of options or a menu on the left hand side. For the purpose of adding a column, you can use either post or the pages you have. Maybe you want to add a column to your home page. For that, what you have to do is go to the pages, and if you want to add to the post, you can see post over here. You can add a post from here, or you can add a columns by tapping on all posts and choosing one of the posts that you have already posted. For this video, I am going to add a column to my home page. So for that, I'll be going to pages, simply tap on it. Now you can see a list of pages over here. From them, as I said earlier, I'll be using a home page. Tap on home. That took me to the edit section. Once we're in the edit page, you can see a plus button on top left corner, which is over here. Tap on it. That will open up your search bar. Now tap on the search bar and type column over here. You can see the column over here, and even under the themes that I'm using, you can see column under it. Here you can see this type of a column, this type of column, or this one, and many more. For now, let's customize our column ourselves. For that, tap on column over here. That added a column. Let's choose a 3 section for now. You can even add a column from here like this. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So we added a 3 column, right? Now what you can do is, so this created a column. By using this drag section, you can drag it up and down like this. You can move it right or left. And so this is all about alignment, and from this option you can copy, duplicate, and do many more. So let's dive into the topic for now. So here we do have a block, first column. Let's add a photos, 3 photos, and maybe a description. For that, let's upload a first photo. Let this be the first photo. So you can even edit a photo from here. Now let's go to another one. Again, tap on add, gallery, upload, and let's upload the second one. So I'm adding a random one. You can add what column you can add over here. So this was our second. Let's add our third one. This is how we can add a column right over here. Now you can see the add button over here. Let's add some text, maybe a quote. Let's keep it beautiful nature. Once done, tap on it, and just like that, you can also add a text or a paragraph or anything that you want to add to your column. And that's how we can add a column in the WordPress. And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.